Ijele finally reveal what IPOB Mazi Nnamdi Kanu do to him that he will never forgive them. No be small thing o, as that one dey happen. Na J-Pack come blast him over the comment wey him talk say he dey happy say make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kpai for inside Nigeria people hand. J-Pack provoke o, he come remove am for the platform. No be small thing, my people. You people need to watch this particular video I'm going to play you from beginning to end, because a lot of things happen for this video. I want you to watch this video today. Okay, my people, let's watch the video together before we come back and continue. Remember, say you still there for Balabas GC.
Let me first of all greet my brother from another mother, the people's governor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
There is a question you asked that touched me. The man that betrayed his master, did he eventually build an oil company?
Yes.
No. And the Ijele was trying to put words into your mouth. No, I have a betrayal, a sabotage. But I'm not know anybody put her here. But I got a large Ijele.
Okay.
We all are Igbos. And I na Yochuku ka ometundi ji Nnamdi Kanu akanobi ka harapia kudo di na Igbo. Mana somebody Chineke kele otu o si ka emu na gi. Excuse me, sir. Somebody Chineke kele otu o si ka emu na gi. Ga put on the internet. Now talk rubbish against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Even if Nnamdi Kanu mere ihe ọjọọ, even if Nnamdi Kanu gburu mmadụ, even if Nnamdi Kanu ihe ọ na-ekwu abụrụ eziokwu, kedu ka o si bụrụzie onye Igbo ga-apụta mepee peji ya wee na condemn, ọ bụrụ just condemn, no na castigate Nnamdi Kanu? For what reason? Ọ bụrụ na o si n'aka onye Hausa maọbụ onye Yoruba na-abịa, is a different thing. Maọbụ onye Igala. Mana nke a bụ no onye anyị chekwa na onye Igbo. If there are things you got be some people against this man, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will get angry. Right. So I think we have to protect our own. We need to protect our own. If Igbo Buofu.
Ijele is here. Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and
gentlemen, Reverend Ephraim Ijele, I'm trying to bring many people, but about their kind of network, maybe they should go offline and come back again. I actually they will one after the other. I don't want this thing to be jam-packed because a lot of bloggers are downloading and screen recording this broadcast. So let us be mindful of what we speak. Let us not insult anybody. So, Ononye, I want you to go on because Reverend, then Ijele, because then allow us to ask you questions even from the comment section. Thank you very much.
What I'm saying, I don't know, am I still there?
Yeah, go on.
What I'm saying is that as Igbos, we need to protect our own. Onye bulu nwanne ya buru odogwu.
Yes.
Nnam abụ m ezigbote onye Igbo. Nnam si na ọ na-abụ achụsie egbe n'ilo, akpọbatazie ọkụkọ n'ụlọ, ewere azịza pịa anụ, kwụsị ya nwaanyị ji pụọ ilo. Onwegodi ihe Nnamdi Kanu mee na-adịrọ mma. Anyị ama ebupụta Nnamdi Kanu na public, na-etie ule, na-etie faka. Remembering na anyị nwere enemies. Onye ka eji si na itegete ka oru mere Igbo, mana ofu ka oru mere Igbo, mana itegete ka Igbo mere onwe fa. Nwoke onye unu bisi n'Igbo ga-amụ ife mana ọ n'ikpeazụ. So ọ bụgo Nnamdi Kanu ada emeti ya, ọ dụrọ echeghị m na ọ dị right na any well thinking Igbo man ga-apụta na social media wee tọpụ ọgọdọ anyị na public. I protect ya nke anyị na public. I natazi ya n'ụlọ anyị asị nke anyị a mana ihe ịma na ihe ma adọrọ mma. Ịma na ihe ma adọrọ mma. I don't know if I'm making a point here.
Yeah, right on.
So etu aka m chọrọ isi kwudobe ya. M ga-anọkwu nwantịntị tupu m pụọ because ịma na tata bụ ụka ka m nwee ike join na service.
Okay. Thank you very much, Reverend Dr. Ephraim Onoye. Ezigbo mmadụ adọrọ fecha. God bless you. Because ajụjụ m ajụ Ijele. Achọrọ m gị nọkwuo 5 minutes.
Check out the spot go do. Check out the spot go do to him. Check out the spot go do.
One after the other. Eweliwe Obiko. One after the other. Obiko. Ka onye ghara jampa. Ihe a bụ question and answer. Ị ghọtara ajụ aza na class. Thank you. Ijele, you are welcome. Many people are saying, don't bring Ijele. Bring Ijele. Don't bring Ijele. No. We are here to learn. And ihe ọ bụla ga-ekwu n'ụwa and I say, now, Ijele, over to you. My first question is this. Igbo is born Igbo.
JPAC, Emma the women who Igbo have baseball Igbo, Imo State, both parents. So,
okay. With my own understanding, Igbo, Imo State, Igbo Zurez. Okay. Onwere ndị Igbo na-atụ n'ilu na-asị na egbuo dike na ọgụ nọ eruo na ọgụ ama achọba dike. Anatụkwara wee na-asị na gbuo dike na mbọsị ife dike pụtara gịnị achọba dike. Now, I've seen your videos, so many of your videos, so many of your live broadcasts, while you stand and castigate. Let me just put this word, castigate, about your own very brother. Even Anene Nezuhi that Deriko Wamama, their family member did not reject Anene and the Deriko. Rather, her protected the just like what Ephraim said. Now I want to ask you this question. Can you hear your grievances? Marriage Moyi and the Kanu Ganu detention.
Okay. Ekene mundi no band JPAC ekene ngi for ikpobata it shows maturity and respect. Reverend Ephraim Ononye, I want to first thank you for one video you made. I even shared it, where you said you called on the police to arrest anybody that performs a fake miracle. So no matter what, even though I don't have respect for you anymore, but I will still respect what you did, because as you see me, I don't respect anybody who doesn't know me and will start publicly writing things or saying things about me. Ne? Nke JPAC okwu ikwuru isi na Deriko na Anini na family ha. Okay, mgbe Deriko na Anini ngwa na onwe gị mana achọsi Deriko ike na Ọnịcha. Even in the Ọnịcha so that ya. Why? If for other atrocities or committed. Oge Deriko bu that moto agba atọ that time na Bridgehead. Onye driver na-anya moto agbagbu with almost every passenger no there because some people they talk survival. Or papa or nwoke alligator onye Ụmụahịa. Ọ bụrụ na ịgba bọọlụ n'Ọnịcha ya ma onye a na-akpa alligator dị ezigbo ọcha ọgụ bụ global that ọ gbakwa bọọlụ na global. Ọ papịa bụ moto. Ka datin me ọ dịghị ka family one ka Deriko tinyere n'anya mmiri. Ọ dịghị ka family one n'Ọnịcha nke ịmagodu first ka Deriko gbagburu in broad daylight. Iche ekicha datin iwe fụ na ọ bụrụ maka ife family Deriko na-eche no maka the general public ọ na-etinye in harm's way. Etu ị nọ na Evans bụ onye Igbo. Why you need to defend Evans?
Let me answer you this one. The reason why I can never defend a criminal and a kidnapper, need defend the only tomorrow. Evans, going Nőw, solidarity for Evans, because of getting one single general contributor and Igbo. by
Ngbano,
him.
Ngbano,
No, wait,
the question was directed to me.
You can finish here when you because how many that would allow you to go on. Evans, I cannot defend Evans because I'm not a criminal and I don't support a criminal. 1. 2.
Okay.
The reason why I cannot defend Evans, Mona, and what is happening that contributes to the progress of our neighbor.
All right.
As I am now, I am so much pained that Nibo, the marginalized, I don't know because of what? Since 1960 till date, after Nandia's given an Agu Euronsi till date, only Igbo president till now. And so that one alone give me God and privilege to stand to defend my people. Because only president, that person is not wrong. From that time till now,
answer topic and I like you made
right on.
Now, it's that a man support Evans, no a criminal. No worry for now contribute. Okay, because I'm interrupt. Can wait 5 minutes land there. I didn't ready answer any question or bonus.
Okay.
Nőw and Ijele Kanu register IPOB business as a private business in the UK, which is where the lie started first. So I did as if no for Biafra. You register IPOB Worldwide Limited.
One. Both Kogi Bayelsa and why did
one again. You cannot register a political organization as a private business because it's not a private business. It's a community or an organization. Now, this thing area IPOB Worldwide Limited. We support Evans because now they make kidnapping. Okay. Madam Social, nwanyị abụya na 2015 oge jide Nnamdi Kanu. Onye ndị IPOB $450,000 to 450,000 naira. Iji go a professional camera. 450,000 mgbe bụ 3.5 million today because mgbe dollar nọ na 150. Now, nyekwe ha 50,000 which is over $100 that time. Which is 100 and something thousand. Obuho nke na-eme comedy onwe Madam Social or anybody known as IPOB, Fege, Odakpo, Waliwo, all these places amuya, all ya nwa na-eji ego ya rent moto those days and eje rally na Onitsha. Kwụọ ụgwọ everybody. Now, Nnamdi Kanu border woman around 2019. Now say ha ka ha join ya ndị politicians, IPOB join and this woman say mba. Ebe okwu bido sebe bụ mgbe Benjamin mmadụ bụ ha na pressure ka ọ na-elevi ndị mmadụ. This woman say na all these women bịasịa meeting sometimes na enwa na-eji ego akpa ha nye ha ego moto. Na-esi nri, ụfọdụ ụmụ ha nọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ ọ na-enye ha. Because na okwere elevi ndị otu ha, a na-achụ this woman ka egbuo na-achị wepịa ndị unit ha sị na ọ bụ na ewepụ this woman they will not come again. Oru ụbọchị ha jere n'ọba na-eme meeting. Ndị otu Benjamin mmadụ bụ mgbe ha na-aza volunteer force. Ha jee ebe ahụ jee kụọ this woman ebe ebu ya jee bụ n'ụlọ eze okpoko of ọba. And remember na eze okpoko of ọba by right. Ọ bụ na Nnamdi Kanu miniri ihe ọ na-ekwu onweghị ekwesịghị ijikọ ya na eze okpoko of ọba. Why? Eze okpoko of ọba and Emmanuel Iwanyanwu so na ndị GCCC na-anara government project. Ngwa na onwe gị ma Onitsha Owerri road mgbe a na-arụ ya. Ebuzọ rụcha. Check and then one day ask give them 5 minutes. Jepa, give 5 minutes please. Give 5 minutes, let me finish. Ngwa na onwe gị mana ebuzọ rụcha Imo side of that Owerri road even though na akwakwara ugwu that Njaba river. Meti ihe niile. Ndị a rie this morning. Ndị a rie this morning, Richard that money. Mgbe emechaziri ofu ndị ahụ ka ebusi this woman jee na palace ya jee kụọ this woman ihe ji hapụ this woman ebe tu nke a ọbụkwa kidnapping o ka nye ga another one. O nwe one woman a na-akpa akpa mbọ. Iko nsọ chọrọ ini that woman na ndụ. Gịnị na-esekwa again? Because ha nwasị na ihe ha na-eme bụ strictly Biafra. Na onwe ihe jikọ ha na ndị ya ịchọ nye gị nọmba dị woman ịkpọ ya confirm. Ha the 3 people. Cosmos George, the other George from Akwa Ibom, and Akpambo. Akpambo bụ that woman na-lead protest. Man ndị IPOB na-eme protest na Rivers State. Ọ na-anọ n'iru. Mana because na okwero ejeje buru this woman chini ya na ndụ ekpochigo ya aja onye na-ete nkwụ wee tiwe mkpu then na ka nne dị ihe njisi gị na Nnamdi agaghị apụta cheka njanụ na nke Nnamdi
wait program a nwere ebe ihe reason why they made this program ihe abụrụ history or ịgaba ihe gara aga
no ịtụrụ m maka Nnamdi na-achụ nwanne hold up please nwanne che biko 1 minute. All this memory lane njebu because of ihe kwuru. It's in advance. No na-eme kidnapping.
I remember to say advance no nya.
Oh, from Otieno na J-Pack biko. J-Pack.
No, wait, I'm coming. As the Kedi mere that name Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Kedi mere do against him. Why is
on the back can na Chinjenunu J-Pack biko ne can you argue something? I no go too long.
Just I got to the point. Because
Chenu na ya can na Chinje mana can you argue something with 15 seconds? So bu ni na weapon ma like ngapi irando.
No problem.
Nanya. I don't go na media so long. Ama m mgbe ndị media na-achị court mmadụ off mgbe ọ na-achị land point. Na ka m gaa na nke Nnamdi Kanu. Na biko ngwa na onwe gị mana brom tata. Na 2020 before then enwekwu ihe gbasara mụ na Nnamdi Kanu na ndị otu ya. Mana na-eme program. Ndị IPOB na-abịa ebe a mechie this thing na mama na Nnamdi Kanu no live. So what's my problem with you people na Nnamdi Kanu on the live or not live? Oburo once, oburo 2 times, oburo 3 times. Obuna that page they publish now. I would go, you just have to go back to the things, if you comment. Even the geopolitical program. I do me on IPOB or anything. Geopolitics, in fact, oh yeah, me burumba, tell me pafi back, I better men attack your page. Oh yeah, me burumba, na 2020 ndị mmadụ na-eti mwa chiri one in na 2019 ihe na abịa na November 2019 the video card na YouTube. Na ihe dị otu a na-abịa, Nunu kwado because no ihe na-focus that time. Then na 2020. Ndị a every time na-eme program, and I say Nnamdi Kanu, I don't have to listen to him because I'm smarter and more intelligent than him. Hanekuya oru one day Nnamdi Kanu may open challenge. Sina only Igbo ọbụla, a doctor, a traditionalist, a Muslim cause of a pastor. Sina ihe ha na-eme na ha dey emete na onye should come up for a challenge and or shut up for life.
I did debate on this topic.
No, 15 seconds.
No. In a broadcast like this, if you are giving 5 minutes, lay your point. That 5 minutes should be utilized. I've given you more than
5 minutes.
Wait, 1 minute. I am coming. I know. 5 minutes. Just 1 second. Wait.
I'm wanting to host himself, Governor.
1 second. You will talk.
I want to get this problem. Them 2 minutes total. Them 2 minutes total.
I can't give you 2 minutes now. No, I can't give you 2 minutes. A lot of people want to speak.
J-Pack, even put out 2 minutes, you can remove J-Pack, please.
Nobody will remove you. You will be here.
J-Pack, don't stop interrupting me, please. Give me 2 minutes to know what I'm saying.
In a program where Ijele, you have your own
No,
program.
no.
We are giving somebody on the audience to speak for 5 minutes, just like in a debate. I say, use this 5 minutes
No, I'm not here for 5 minutes. You say you are here for me to answer questions. Then, if you don't like the way I answer questions, it's your person. It's not my problem.
Ijele, calm down.
This is the point I'm going to. Governor, 1 minute. 1 minute. Now, come with 90 seconds. Check out with 90 seconds.
You have said 15 seconds. Now, 30
Count
seconds.
90
Don't
seconds
worry.
for me. Don't interrupt me. Count 90 seconds.
Ijele,
I don't want Ijele to go out of this. I don't want Ijele to go out from here. I have questions to Ijele. I don't want him to go out. I don't want him to go out.
Jepa, Governor, Mr. Governor, like I said before, I would like you to host me so we have time to talk. I don't like all these things. Somebody will be bridging my conversation. I'm less than 90 seconds from stopping. When I said he called for a challenge, from that place to the end, it's less than 90 seconds. Let me finish. Now, when Nnamdi Kanu said he wants open challenge, their people came and pasted it on my own platform. I told them, okay, you people register on my behalf. Over 200 people registered. Then before that day reached, somebody called me from Australia. His name is Tony. Those of them IPOB members in Australia know him. He told me to withdraw. I said, I will never withdraw. I want to see the head of this argument. That day, Nnamdi Kanu did not show up. Then I started firing him. What did you do? On my birthday 2020, 22nd of June, they called a girl from Italy. From Libya to Italy. On the order of Nnamdi Kanu and his IPOB. Because somebody called me and said, if I stop talking about IPOB, they will delete, and then Nnamdi Kanu, they will delete the video. I told them to go to hell. And this is how we are where we are today. You didn't hear when they set me up in Turkey? They thought my gun was not licensed, trying to send me to jail. But when they came and saw that my gun was licensed, there was nothing they could hold me on. They tried to hold me in jail for 4 months. I told them, no, I'm going home. I have my passport here. Nothing was stamped on it. Wait now, and at the end of the day, this is where it is, and people will be telling me, oh, what did he do? You don't know what he did? I'm waiting.
Okay, thank you very much. You said 90 seconds. Please, can you just relax? Let me drop a point before Governor.
I'm finished.
Okay, thank you very much. Traffic. Did you actually?
No. This is from IPOB leadership. They called me.
Now, did you actually engage in human traffic in Turkey?
Am I mad?
Okay, one.
Like,
okay,
no, just let me address that one too. Hold on. I have never, ever in my whole life engaged in ashawo business where person go they pay me. Like for what? So somebody will throw such an accusation and you expect me to leave the person. For what? For what reason? Why should I leave the person?
Okay, you have cleared yourself. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
The second one is this. All this you have just mentioned now, does it justify for you to fight for
100%?
Not to be released?
100%. I am proud of it. I will never stop.
I'm coming.
Yes.
Okay, you are 100% okay for you to fight Nnamdi Kanu. Somebody who have opened your eyes and they reveal everything.
Open my eyes in what way? In what way, please?
Okay, in what way? Okay, let me tell you. Let me tell you. I'm coming. Let me tell you 2 or 3 ways.
No, let him list those 5 ways. No. Jepat, tell me how he opened my eyes. I want to hear you, then I will respond to you.
One. Is there any functioning seaport in the southeast and the south?
Do you have sea in the southeast?
Where is
sea?
Where is Port Harcourt and the Warri?
Hold on, please.
On the highway seaport before. Port Harcourt and Warri on the highway seaport.
Don't contradict yourself. We don't have, hold on, please. We don't have seaports in the southeast. Then the river port you are seeing, I maintain that our people are the reason that river port is so. Now go and check from Obasanjo to Jonathan. Check all the people they've been awarding the contract of the dredging of River Niger and building second Niger bridge. Go and check the list. And don't be buying. We don't have those things because our people, they gave the money. Edit.
Okay,
how many times did Obasanjo award
for you? I don't want to say much. Somebody instructed me that I'm a moderator, so I don't have to speak much.
Ijele, you have a glass of water. You have a glass of water there, right? You need to take it a bit on camera. Just take a sip of it. All right, relax. Remove anger now. Remove anger.
I don't speak with anger. I don't speak with anger. Forget my voice. I don't speak with anger.
Okay. Now, I see. Now, when he had this again and the IPOB, not Nnamdi Kanu.
No. Starting from him. No.
Okay.
Starting from him, because please, IPOB operates on the principle of command and control, which means it is one command and one control. So you cannot be against the group and not the person controlling it.
Okay, thank you. This problem started in Turkey. Thank you.
Yes.
That's 1 point. 2, you are from Imo State, right?
Yes.
I am from Imo State, right? Are you against the common man? The common Igbo man. In fact, let's go to Imo State. Are you against the common indigenous person of Imo State, or are you helping them? Just yes or no?
My brother, I am at the forefront of exterminating every ESN camp in the Imo State, and you are still asking me this. In my own community, I started. Wait, please. I started from my own community. I have been in the field. They know how many of them, when me and them don't shake hands, but they are not alive today to tell you how it happened, because it was either me or them. I am literally at the forefront of exterminating all these criminals, and you are asking me now them for common man. Like,
where does
that come from?
Calm down, Ijele, calm down.
I don't calm, my brother.
Ijele, you know why I ask you that question?
Yes.
If actually you love the commoner in Imo State, I did not see you speak up when somebody who came forth on an election became the governor of the state.
Yes.
Can I answer you? Governor?
Yes.
Okay, Governor. Did you read the judgment, and what was the judgment? What did they say? If you don't read it, let me tell you now. The Imo State election of 2019, everybody knows that Owele Rocha, Sokorocha, and Hope Uzodinma were not in good terms, because Hope Uzodinma defeated Uche Nwosu for the ticket, of which that would have been aberration to turn Imo State governorship into a dynastic seat. Now, on the day of the election, they removed 382 polling units. 382 polling. Who in Nigeria will they remove 382 polling units? Results that were signed. Now, at the end of the day, the court added it. INEC, is this your result? They said yes. Is this your signature? They said yes. They now added it to his subtotal. That was how he became, the vote became fair, but people miss it. And wait now, Emeka Ihedioha, please. Emeka Ihedioha won only 3 local governments, mind you. And at the end of the day, my brother, don't you know the result?
Ijele,
wait.
They asked the question, why
Fourth. And JPAC, are you not listening, or are you just reading the comment? I told you, the 382 polling units they removed from him. This is a result INEC certified from polling unit. Now they removed them from the. This is the court judgment, not me, not my word. Go and check it. All of them, they asked them, how would you cancel 380 polling units? Did you sign this or not? They said they signed it, and they acknowledge it as the result signed by the INEC official. Now they added, but when people want to when people want to say something about it, they don't talk about that. And because of the lies sold, so many people were comfortable in supporting the people that broke the Owerri prison, and we are living with the consequences today.
Wait, thank you very much. Governor,
I'm not done.
This privilege is for Governor Ezioku. And Ijele, thank you very much. I want you to be a good listener. Governor, you have already laid your point. So I want Governor Ezioku to also made his own point in a way people understand. So both questions and answer, just go on for 10 minutes.
if you get flamed up when I ask one question or you drag it too long, you will not meet up to 25% of the questions I have for you. Ijele, I want to.
You are free to host me. Me, I know they run from questions. Just let me land the answer.
No problem. Ijele, I will ask you, before I leave here, I will ask you the one that will get you provoked. But that one, I want to reserve it for the later end.
No, I don't. You try me and see if you can provoke me.
Okay. I put it to you, Ijele, that the election, I am not supposed to be deliberating over issues or what transpired during the election. Did you also remember that Hope Uzodinma never contested election with the platform of APC in 2019? How do I know? Let me point it clear to you. Because somebody who has no vehicle cannot convey any goods on a certain transit on his name, bearing the name or the ownership of the vehicle. Remember, the APC nomination, as ruled by the law, the court of law, the ticket was owned by Uche Nwosu and that of AA. At this point, the same court of law disqualified Uche Nwosu for 2 nominations, APC and AA. So which vehicle conveyed this your governor to government house before the Supreme Court now placed a judgment that he won the election?
Should I answer you? Should I answer you?
Yes.
Uche Nwosu, the election they conducted, could they say he won, was heavily inconclusive until Gulak, the late Gulak, was sent to Imo State. He conducted the election. Hope Uzodinma won it. Now, Uche Nwosu, the fact that he knew Hope won the other one, he went into AA. His mistake was not cancelling what they gave him in that first one. That was the reason they cancelled it. If Hope Uzodinma was not a candidate, do you think you know better than Emeka Ihedioha that he was not arguing that? Why didn't Emeka Ihedioha argue that if what you are saying is true?
Because I don't know what you were. This my program has been deviated to another thing. As you can see.
Wait. I will go back.
I'm coming. I am not here politically. The topic of my program is that you can see the caption on the topic. And I don't know why all this is deviating to my.
You know, I listened before I started talking. I know where I am going. Ijele, I have another question for you. Outside Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, and the guy is important down in Bawasia, Igbo, Menka. Go after that. I'm not against that. But outside Nnamdi Kanu, can you mention 3 other occupations you have? Because I want to patronize you.
3 other occupations I have.
Yes.
In case you don't know, I am a consultant. I'm a security consultant.
On what,
I'm a political consultant.
Consultant on what ground or area?
Did you even finish primary school? I said security consultant, and you are asking me on what area?
Okay,
now, hold on. I am a security consultant. I'm a political analyst. I write programs for people. I write policies. I own a page, and I was a farmer up until last year when the disaster happened.
When you left Imo State.
Waiting be left Imo State, I'd get a cow for Taraba State. Now, do you think I'm just somebody that is
a cow now?
You see, you see, hold on, let me come. Let me please. There are other things I do. Hold on, please. Now, there are other things I do which you don't know. My page is there. My page is there, and if you are a broadcaster, you will know that having a page in 2023 is a job on its own. In case you want to leave that one, then there are other things I'm doing from behind which I'm not gonna mention to anyone.
Which branch do you have in Southeast? How are you employing people from the southeast?
What business? Why would what branch are you talking about? Like southeast? Why would I bring it something like waiting will bring me go there? My politics has nothing to do with the southeast. My security consultancy is at the federal level, and you are telling them the cows at Taraba State when it's done, I bring it over to Abuja, sell them. What business do I have with southeast business that I will open a branch there? Just open a branch for opening.
And I know na Japan na practice your menan.
How do you mean Anano Japan approach? Where is this question coming from?
You know where it's coming from.
Wait. Must I have a business branch in the southeast? That is the question.
Yes.
If my business
is a lie. Way to engage. It's a lie. It's not true. Don't go back. Ijele. The reason why all your own village, your own community, catching when that terrorize the southeast, why? And that's why you are fighting them.
It's a lie. No, please. No, Governor, 1 minute. There is no single ESN camp in my village. And when you cannot show me how many people from Umuduru, let alone Amanduba, that are involved in this ESN, name the ones where they don't buy and the ones where they in control. The ones in my own village, I made sure I took care of them. All of them were like this. The rest ran away.
Okay,
and wait, please.
But this very question to add to your own. Ijele,
yes.
This answer is, I don't want you to prolong the issue. This answer is yes or no. This question is this.
No. Jepa, please. Don't limit an intelligent conversation to a yes or no answer. You give me your question, and I will answer you.
This is why I said that this question is a question of yes or no, because of this here to the question.
Okay.
As Igbo man is in Igbo, you must say that man no more do.
Abu is in Igbo, as Igbo man Igbo. Abu is in Igbo.
Okay. Sorry, as Igbo man Igbo.
Yes.
It's a kama solution against me. Release Nőw and Nnamdi Kanu.
One day, I told Mukonia and self, and it's on the reason.
Yes, again,
it's on the
no, I
told Mukonia. Imama don't know good. Nnamdi Kanu, Imama don't know good. About the Maha, can information.
Have you seen a rifle? Have you seen a rifle? Nnamdi Kanu?
I need to make for rifle. Now, you know
what you seen rifle?
When I break a word, I'm one can akwara, imone bakwara, Nnamdi Kanu ji akwara n'ụchọọrụ. One day, February 24th, 2020, or 26, 2020, can Nnamdi Kanu.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, my people. The only contribution where we get to say here now be say Igbos have to come together. Ijele is nobody to stop the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is clear. So Igbos should come together and stand for what they believe on. That is all. So whether he talk or he no talk, everybody have a platform. According to the question where they ask and wetin be work, he talk so many things. He same be security consultant, he be the real cow, the real all those things. I will not say he's a blogger. Now this way in the talk, now I tell they eat food. Because if you no talk am, you no go watch am. The people enemy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no go gree watch am. So my people, when I don't see how the thing take play, may you share the video, more other people know wetin they go on. And also leave your own contribution for inside comment section. Now so it be. Talk now, you talk, I talk. You understand? Everybody has whatever you have to contribute to whatever that is issue. But where you pay so much is where you are laying out your own contribution and another person is trying to tell you that what you are saying is wrong. So we are living in democracy. You are free to say out your mind and what is happening, but that is never been practicing in Nigeria. My people, sometimes we try to come so that talk the way where our people will take understand, because if they talk like this, it can be like saying I will no pass. You understand? But sometimes it's good make you still talk so that then go know say person wey dey talk oh the book wey pass for im house. If they read and finish, they go mad. So my people, leave your own contribution concerning this matter wey dey happen, because Igbo land wetin dey happen for Igbo land now, if they tell you, you no go believe am. But we pray that Chukwu Okike Abiama will see us through for all this things so that the Igbos will learn and come aside from it. They say if the whole prophet, you go see enemies of prophet, you go rise against am. Na wetin dey happen now. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said everything he said so that if no be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the attention of Nigeria government no go even dey for southeast. The second Niger bridge, they no go even try to build am. So many things they no go do am. But they do am today, but some of you no see all those ones. Wetin una see na your own selfish interest and wetin your own mentality tell you, because you no be you dey there and no be you be that person wey dey call im name for Nigeria today. That's why most of una e dey pay una pass. But however, talk na talk as I don talk am before. So na so e be.